Today is Thursday, January 8th, 2014, and it is cold. -2 degrees. It's about 8:30 in the morning. And if you think it's cold outside, well, it's also very cold inside the house. We have one space heater and two space heaters going in the house. There's the village. And the thermostat is set at 68 degrees, but it's only 62 degrees inside the house. That is how cold it is. Now, having said that, I think that Rex ought to join me in some cold starts. What you're thinking is breakfast. Yeah, it's time for breakfast time. We'll have some breakfast, then we'll go out and do some cold starts. Actually using a tripod now for the first time. Carrying the tripod around. Carrying the camera's mounted to the tripod while I'm carrying it. I figured that would give some extra stability so it's less shaky of a video. Now, Fergie is on the list, but he's going to be the star of the show today. He will start up immediately in the summer, but I had him started up about a week ago in the winter when it was about freezing, and he wasn't very happy. Johnny is having issues with the injector pump, so he will not be started today, but if we just had him on the block heater for half an hour, then he would fire right up. As you've seen in my previous videos, it never changes. Here in the shed is where we'll have our most patients. And then out in the corner, we have two Yamahas. And I still haven't finished my Kawasaki project. As you can see, there's no carburetor. So, let's get ourselves into the shed here. Get the junk out of the way. Okay, first suspect, the Homelite leaf blower. Oh, for some reason the choke didn't stay on. This kind of stuff is not designed to run in 0-degree weather, with snow on the ground for that matter. I'm probably the only idiot that's trying to start a leaf blower on January 8th in 0-degree weather. But I like doing stuff that shouldn't be done. This is getting tiring. Well, how about another suspect? Stihl FS-45 weed whacker. Again, not to be done in the dead of winter, but I'm doing it anyway. I think this one is less likely to start than the leaf blower is. We'll see what happens. frozen. I don't think it's gonna happen. Kinda good to work out though. Hey, you got a fire. A little bit more fine. Oh, she wants to go. Sorry, I ran out of space in the camera. We have a runner. Probably needs choke for a little while. Cool. You can depend on your Stihl weed whacker in the middle of the winter. I'm gonna leave it at that, because the throttle cable is stuck, but it does run. Let's give the leaf blower another chance, shall we? Hey! Success! Launch choke. Even revs. Like a kitten. That was unexpected.